The filter is located underneath the glove box. Using a 6mm nut driver, remove the 4 nuts that secure the filter into the housing.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
Pull down on the old filter to remove it. You will need to bend the filter to clear the floor. Install your new filter into the housing with the plastic edge towards the passenger side of the vehicle. You'll need to bend the filter towards the driver's side to install it into the housing. Reinstall the 4 nuts that secure the filter to the housing.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.